You probably have already heard about ChatGPT. It's the AI chatbot that can hold a conversation, answer your math questions, and even write a code for you. The rise of ChatGPT has many people wondering, will ChatGPT ever replace Google? Well, to answer this question, let's dive deep into ChatGPT's capabilities and also look into some of the differences between Google and ChatGPT. If you like videos like this, leave a like and subscribe to see similar upcoming content. First, let's rewind a little bit and see how ChatGPT was created. It was developed by OpenAI, a research institute and company that is focused on advancing artificial intelligence research and development. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of entrepreneurs, researchers, and philanthropists, such as Elon Musk, with the goal of promoting and developing friendly AI in a way that benefits humanity. To create ChatGPT, the developers used a large dataset of human conversation as input for a machine learning model. The model was then trained on this dataset using techniques such as supervised learning and unsupervised learning. This process allowed the model to learn how to understand and respond to user inputs in a way that mimics human conversation. Once the model was trained, it was tested and fine-tuned to improve its performance and accuracy. This process involved adjusting the model's parameters and training it on additional data to ensure that it was able to understand and respond to user inputs accurately and effectively. After the model was finalized, it was integrated into a chatbot platform, such as Facebook Messenger or Slack, to allow users to interact with it through a chat interface. On November 30, 2022, the chatbot was then made available to users, who could use it to hold natural conversations and receive answers to their questions. ChatGPT and Google are both powerful tools with many similarities and differences. Both are designed to provide users with a range of services, but they go about it in different ways. One of the main similarities between ChatGPT and Google is that they are both AI-powered tools that are designed to assist users in various tasks. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses natural language processing to understand and respond to user inputs, while Google is a search engine that uses algorithms to search for and retrieve relevant information from the internet. Both tools rely on artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve their performance over time. However, there are also many differences between ChatGPT and Google. One of the main differences is the type of services they provide. ChatGPT is a chatbot that is designed to hold natural conversations with users and provide answers to their questions. It can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer service, entertainment, and education. Google, on the other hand, is a search engine that is designed to help users find information on the internet. It is not designed to hold conversations or provide answers to specific questions. Another difference between ChatGPT and Google is the way they process and present information. ChatGPT uses NLP to understand and respond to user inputs, while Google uses algorithms to search the internet and present relevant information to users. ChatGPT is designed to provide information in a conversational format, while Google presents information in the form of search results. In terms of accessibility, ChatGPT is typically available through chat platforms, while Google is available through a web browser. This means that ChatGPT is typically accessed through a specific app or platform, while Google can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. But will ChatGPT become the main search engine? Overall, ChatGPT and Google are both powerful tools that are designed to assist users in different ways. Both tools rely on artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve their performance, but they differ in the services they provide and the way they process and present information. It is unlikely that ChatGPT will replace Google as a primary source of information and services. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool that uses natural language processing to hold conversations with users and provide answers to their questions, it is not designed to function as a comprehensive search engine like Google. Google is a search engine that uses algorithms to search the internet and present relevant information to users. It is a highly efficient and effective tool that is widely used by people around the world to find information on a wide range of topics. Google also offers a range of other services, such as email, maps, and cloud storage, that make it a valuable resource for many people. While ChatGPT may be useful for certain tasks, it is unlikely to replace Google as a primary source of information and services. Google has a strong foothold in the market and is constantly improving and expanding its services, making it a reliable and valuable resource for many people. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a more specialized tool that is designed for specific purposes and is not as widely used as Google. Google, however, was reportedly alarmed that there is a new competitor in the AI space which is only going to drive the performance higher. There also has been doubts over ChatGPT's sustainability. ChatGPT needs a lot of processing power to interact with users, which will make it more expensive for the developers to keep it running unless it can drive sales. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful and useful tool, but it is unlikely to replace Google as a primary source of information and services. Google's comprehensive search capabilities and wide range of services make it a valuable resource for many people, and it is unlikely to be replaced by a chatbot like ChatGPT in the near future. This chatbot, however, has just showed us how easy it is for AI to learn and do everyday tasks. It will be a matter of time till AI machines start taking over the labor industry and shake the economy for the better or the worse.